Hello guys, and this is Michael. So in this channel we are going to be showcasing and experimenting ways that we can make money, be it online, physical shops and all. So take this as an experimental tool, so you can always review our steps and see if it's going to be profitable for you. And if it's a business idea that you have been wondering, we're probably going to do it right here in this channel, so you can either get an idea of how you can go about that money making strategy. We are all about making money here, baby. So this 2025, no slacking. We are all about making money back. So I'll be hitting different targets ranging from drop shipping, physical store, affiliate marketing, SEO, digital marketing, AI marketing, and all that. So if these are the type of things that they're interested in, or you can interested in this kind of content, please hit the like and subscribe. Also share to your friends. I mean, you don't know, you might be helping somebody, you might actually be somebody's helper. So at the end of this video, if you get value out of it, please like and subscribe. It's also going to boost this video and this channel and help the algorithm recommend it to more people. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive down to the first experiment of money experiment. Okay, so this video is going to be about AI. Yeah, I said AI. One of the most popular and free, keyword there, free ways you can actually start making money right now is through the help of AI. AI is one of the most popular and fastest growing ways that people make money right now. And you can see there are several ways AI can actually make money, especially in the digital firm, in the digital area. AI write SEOs, right? They write essays. They even give you scripts for your videos so AI, you can actually do basically 70% of everything in the digital space using AI, and there are several free AI tools you can now use there. One of the most popular ones being ChatGPT. So for this video, we are going to be developing a website. We are going to be developing we're going to be writing just a simple code to just show you how it feels using AI to write code. And then it's going to be a series of several things we can do with AI before we move on to something else. Okay, so first thing, we are going to be creating a simple Google Game app website. Yeah, so this website is going to have, it's just going to be a image to word select. So user is going to be provided with image and then a series of small sentence that describe the image. So you have to select the one that best describe that image. Okay, so that's what we're going to be creating today. So simple about to do this, we'll need first ChatGPT. We'll be using VS Code. There's many other code editors out there, but we'll be using VS Code. And also, of course, the basic requirements: laptop, data. Yeah. So inside VS Code, we're going to also be using an extension. It's going to be the live server. So basically, what this live server does is to show you an instant, preview of your website, and also auto refresh every time you make changes. So that's why we're going to be using live server. Don't worry, none of this is very difficult. It just sounds difficult, but once we start, you get the hang of it. So first things first, we'll go to http://chatgpt.com, and then we're going to sign into ChatGPT. Once you sign up for ChatGPT, you sign in, you log yourself in, and you're going to be brought to this page. What can we help you with? Okay, so also before we do that, we'll also need to download Let's download VS Code. I already have VS Code installed, but VS Code download. Okay, so this is VS Code, and then you select Windows. I'm using Windows, so Windows download, and basically the process is very easy, very seamless and easy. So I'm gonna jump this and just open up the VS Code. Once you open, this is VS Code here. Opened in our laptop. I'm going to put this slide so that you know VS Code 1 point this activity at the other side. Okay, so inside VS Code, we also need to create a new folder. Okay, that's what we're going to do right now. Create a new folder. Create a new folder. Let's call it GPT game. Okay, we'll call it GPT game, and we can just click and drag and bring it into GPT, and we drop it right here. Boom, GPT game. Drop it right here. We don't need this. We can close this. This is GPT 5. Then go to this extension. This is for the extensions. Now we can search for live server. Okay, I want to click on it. We're going to download live server. You just search here and get this live server. You click install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to uninstall it, but this is it here, and you can see it's enabled. Then minimize this and also click here. Now right here where we have this folder GPT, we are just going to create click here a new file. Right here you can see new file. We click it, and we're going to name this index.html. This is, you can name this anything, but put the extension name .html at the end. A single word, no space between it. Just write anything you want. Name it game.html, whatever. For best practice, it's index.html. So we're going to stick to index.html. HTML. Okay. Now all this, I know this is going to be looking weird for you, but don't worry. This is the hardest part of everything. Okay. It's just to setting up is the most difficult part. Generating the codes are not very difficult. Okay, trust me. Now you can put in this until you put in this, you press enter. It's going to show you this skeleton. Call this the skeleton of HTML. So this is not important. Okay, you don't need this. So ChatGPT is going to create for you every single thing, but I just want to show you the skeleton. So this is something the code is going to look like. Okay, so let's now minimize this and open up our ChatGPT. Okay, so now that we have our code here, we know that we'll copy whatever ChatGPT gives to us, we'll copy it and paste it right here. Okay, and then we'll press this go live so that we can preview our code. Alright, so let's get going. Chat. So the first thing we're going to tell ChatGPT is this: you are an expert software developer. Create a image to what game using HTML. In this game, user is presented, okay, an image and has to select between between four. You can make this 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, that's 4 simple sentence. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. 4. Let's just say 3 sentence, which of them best describes the image the user correctly. They are taken to the next image, else show saved. Now, I'm gonna leave the prompt at this because I don't want to overload the AI with so many details. I want to do it gradually, so I'll giving it prompts. Keep giving them gradual prompts until I actually arrive where I'm going. You understand? So let's do this and let's see what activity gets us. Okay, so you can see instantly it even opens up a chat we get for you, and also you can see the codes as activity is writing the codes immediately for you. Okay, so let's give it let's see, still writing, and that's that. So here how it works. It even provides you with how the game works. The game displays an image. The user selects one of the 3 sentences. If correct, they proceed to the next. If incorrect, an error message appears. The game continues until all images are answered correct. Okay, so this is exactly what we want. You can just click on this copy right here and go to VS Code and clear all this, then paste it. So I'm going to come just paste it. Okay, I'll be using shortcuts, so I just wanted you to see that I pasted that. Okay, so now we already installed our live server, so we just go live. And once we click go live, this is our image right here. This is the game on Chrome, a running dog. So right now the image is not being previewed. You can see a cat is sleeping on the couch, a bird flying in the sky. Right now we don't have an image. ChatGPT is not going to provide you an image. Okay, so it's something you are going to still have to prompt it to do, or you can use DALI. ChatGPT also has DALI, an image AI that can generate images for you. So here we go to this VS Code. This is what the code looks like, and this is where we can provide image to this code. So this is the first image. There's no image, just image, just JPEG, image to JPEG. So it's basically not going to work, obviously. Well, let's try. Yeah, wrong answer. Okay. So a woman reading a book. Okay, a boy playing gun. Image towards game, a card right now. We can't tell what we're doing, but you get the point. Yeah, so we can refresh this, start again. So it's basically just 3 stages right now. So let's add some more context. Um, for this, we are going to just make something very simple. So we go to this pages view here, and inside here we're going to create a new folder. A new folder, call it assets. Okay, assets. And then I told you that I had already downloaded some images I was going to use. This is its game image. So right here I'll just come and let's go. Let's take this 5. So take it, drag into VS Code and drop it on top of this asset right here. You can see them right here. Okay, so gonna close this. Just five. Five is enough for now. And then, okay, open up ChatGPT again. Okay, so five is enough for right now. And let's reduce this place and let me so that you can see it very well. Okay, so here we'll make this. I'm gonna just say, you can see these things are giving us okay, so you can see the three answers are just these are the three: a car, a dog running in the back, a cat sleeping, and this. So this is what we have here. The three answers. Correct is zero. So this zero means it's this one. That means it starts from 0, 1, 2. Okay, it's an array. So 0, 1, 2. So the correct answer is this: a dog running in the park. That's why it's zero. So if you click this, continues to the next. And this one has the second section option here, the game. It's here. It shows you a man riding a bicycle, a woman reading a book, and a boy playing soccer. The correct answer is going to be the last one right here. The last one is going to be this: a boy playing soccer. Click. You will click on the wrong one. When you see wrong answer, try again. So a boy playing soccer. Move to the next one. Okay. Also this one. So this is it. 0, 1, 2. That's what the array has. Okay. So we just refresh this. Now I'm going to replace this image with an actual image of this image that we just brought in right here. So how am I going to do that? Easy. Very easy. This source here, we just write inside assets, okay? Slash and this slash. So don't worry about it. Once you get this first step, and trust me, it's gonna be easy for the rest of it. So you see, this whole code, this whole line of code was provided by you by AI. You didn't have to do anything. All you have to do is set up a few things, and you're good to go. So we have the first one, a dog running under park is the correct answer. Let's just use we use our box image. We just say box, okay? Dot png. Notice the difference between this JPEG. You must make sure the extension we have it's what you're gonna put here. Box.png. Whatever you name this, it's also what you're gonna put here. So this is just a box. The answer is zero, but we're gonna use dog running back. We can as well just change this to box if you want. Box. You can see it changed immediately. That's function of the live server. So this is box. You click box, it's correct. The next one, the image is also not going to be previewed except you change this. I'm going to say cat. Okay, sorry. Assets slash cat slash png. Okay. Also, we're going to do for this last one, we just click on assets. Okay. Slash. Let's just say fish. Okay. Now I'm going to add this one where we have. We're going to say cat from here. No, I mean sorry. Okay, so yeah, the correct answer is 02. You can see the answer is 0, so it's going to be the last one. So the last one, and we're going to say cat, and then for this assets fish, and that's the engine. I'm going to say the answer, correct answer is the second one. So I'm going to say here, right here, I'm going to just change this to fish. Okay, fish. Okay, fish. So it's automatically refreshing. You don't need to refresh this. Okay, it's automatic. This is this. You can see cat. I'll say cat. I will say this car. This is wrong. It's supposed to be this fish. Okay, so you can see that in less than how many minutes we have already created our game. Okay, this is an actual game that we can also. So we are just gonna do more editing. A few other editing, and let's see what we can do. So we just go back here to this chat and we say to ChatGPT. Okay, let me send this. Spend this. Oh, basically, You can tweak it. I just showed you that you can tweak it. You can add your own images, and you can do all this. So let's go to ChatGPT and say, I want your, I want again to show result of both successful if the user chooses. Sorry about this, all these errors. Okay, very sorry. Choose correctly and there and try again if user choose wrong answer. Okay, let's see. Mhm. So you can see it's going line by line and making all the changes which it's making if necessary. Okay, so let's make changes where it needs to make it. Okay, it stops. Okay, before we test this, let's just say make the game more beautiful. Okay, so we're just gonna make the game more beautiful and then you're gonna see what it's gonna do first. Okay, so basically it's gonna be styling it. This is the style, and you see it's that's added some styles, and then the rest, basically most of it's gonna stay the same, except where it needs to be changed. And so this, let's see, it doesn't make much changes here. It's just a few things, and that's that. So let's copy, and through, and then we do this. So we just use the shortcut. Once I click on this, it's Control A to select everything and Control V to paste it. And then we check what we have here. Okay. But if you notice, our images has gone back to their default. And why is that? Because this, the image here, we have the image. So it's gone back to the default which ChatGPT gave to us. And it's going to be doing that, except we copy this, or we edit this, and we copy it, and copy the whole code, and paste it back on ChatGPT. But first, before we do that, let's confirm that if, so this is 0, yeah, so the correct answer should be 0. Correct, moving on. The second one, correct answer should be the last one, 2. Correct, moving to the next image, and this is going to be 1, this, but let's click wrong, and say try again. So keeps this okay, it is correct, moving on to the next. And then it has this congratulations, you have completed the game. So what we're going to put next now is we're going to say, well, for it to create a reset here, ChatGPT is going to give us everything. All we have to do is edit this, change the image, edit the correct answer. So we choose which of them is correct, change the image, select the correct answer, and put in what is actually in the image, and change the image, and that's that, and the game is ready. So what we're going to do now is, okay, let's see. Um, so you have to be very specific. You can see how clear the information make the game more beautiful, and add a replay button at the end of the game so users can start again. What else do we want to add? So we can say also add a scoreboard, scoreboard showing how many the user has answered correctly using its star icon. Okay, so it's gonna add a scoreboard using star show if the user has answered correctly or not. So let's see. Let's just see. Okay, so we do this, copy this again, go to VS Code, Control A, Control V, and we check here, image the word game. This is it. You see the star here, the score, how many. Okay, so again, let's see what those are correct answers. Okay, so the first one, this is correct answer, correct. The second one, the last one's the correct answer, correct. The third one, answer is this one. We take this, it's wrong, and go into answer is this correct. So this is correct. Congratulations, you made it, and you can see the replay button. So I'm going to just cut the video short for this so that you guys can actually go and play around with this. And I'll be making a very more extensive video on this, and let me know what you guys think about this.